Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I Zelle someone $3,000? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, especially with the holidays coming up. So, I wanted to take some time to break it down for you. What is Zelle? Before we get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a great option for sending money to friends and family, or even splitting bills with roommates. Can I Zelle someone $3,000? The answer is yes, you can Zelle someone $3,000. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Zelle has a daily limit of $2,500. This means that you can only send or receive a maximum of $2,500 per day. Zelle has a weekly limit of $10,000. This means that you can only send or receive a maximum of $10,000 per week. Zelle has a monthly limit of $50,000. This means that you can only send or receive a maximum of $50,000 per month. If you need to send more than $2,500 in a day, you will need to split the transaction into multiple payments. For example, you could send $2,500 on one day and then send the remaining $500 on the next day. How to Zelle someone $3,000? Now that you know the limits, let's take a look at how to Zelle someone $3,000. Open the Zelle app. Tap on the Send button. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap on the Send button. Once the recipient has accepted the payment, the money will be transferred to their account instantly. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to use Zelle. Until next time.